Hi, I'm Israel and this is my project Play. In today's video, I want to show you a free app that you can use to send MIDI from your iPhone to your iPad via Bluetooth. And then I will show you another free app where you can use the gyroscope in your iPhone to control a synth in your iPad in AUM. I used to say gyroscope and accelerometer as if they were the same thing. However, I recently read that the gyroscope uses the position of your device to send data or to create data, and the accelerometer uses how fast you move or shake your device to create this data. Stick around and let me show you how it's done. The first free app I want to show you it's called Midimittr, I think. And this is an app that helps us send MIDI from one device to another using Bluetooth. Let me show you how I connect the iPhone to the iPad so that the iPhone sends MIDI to the iPad. Okay, inside AUM, we open the menu in AUM, clicking on these three lines, and then we tap on Settings, scroll down to Bluetooth MIDI, and in the iPad, we click on Central. Now back in the iPhone, we go to Advertise, and we turn on Advertise MIDI service. Now we can see that in the iPad, the iPhone, AC Saber iPhone, that's the name for my iPhone, we can see that it shows, and now we can select it and wait for them to connect. Now they are connected. The Advertise MIDI service is turned off, and the Bluetooth MIDI device list shows that AC Saber iPhone is connected to AUM. So now if we open MIDI routing, we can see that we have an AC Saber iPhone Bluetooth port, and we'll use that to send MIDI from the iPhone to the iPad. The next free app I want to show you is called GyroSynth. So let me open that in the iPhone. This is a free synth that uses the gyroscope to create sound, but it also can be used to send MIDI. The first thing we can see is the control mode. You have three settings, three presets of how the controls are used. This symbol is for the gyroscope pitch. That means tilting up or down your iPhone. This symbol is for the yaw, and that is if you turn left or right. And then this symbol is rotate, which means if you twist left or right. I particularly like to use the preset in the middle where the pitch is set to the gyroscope pitch, tilting up or down. The modulation is set to the yaw, and the volume is set to the rotate control. The next menu we have is the synth. This app has 5 onboard sounds: a vocal, a sine, a pulse, a saw, R2D2, and a sampler. And it also has MIDI mode. That's the one we'll be using in today's video. And you can change this by tapping on this button. So today we'll be using the MIDI. You can also choose a scale. You can see that there's not label to see what the set root note is, but you can use this piano. They are like piano keys. You can use this to see what notes will be sent, and then we click here and back, and we can go back to the main screen in GyroSynth. We can also choose the bass octave, and we can also select the octave range from 1, 2, 3 octaves. If we are using the onboard sounds, we can add a delay, boost, and we can also mute them. And if you are left-handed, you can also activate the left-hand mode. So now let me show you how we can control a synth in the iPad in AUM using this app. So first, let's load a synth in AUM. I'm going to use FM Player 2. There we go. It's loaded now. If we tap on these 3 lines right here, we can choose the MIDI source. We're going to use AC Saber. As you can see, it's already sending the iPhone. It's already sending MIDI data. All right, so it's there. It's selected. We could also filter by channel. Right now, we're using the channel 1. So as you can see, we can control Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. You can also follow me in Bandcamp. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.